Need to do is check out some of the methods that we have available on W3 Schools. Alright, so I have W3 School open on my browser. Alright, so what I need to do is just scroll down to methods. You should be able to find some of, I don't know, methods, JavaScript method. Okay, those are object methods. That will be a little bit too advanced for you. Okay, so we have method. These are some of the methods you can find here: string methods, number methods, date methods, and the likes. But we have a bunch of methods. So let me first of all take you through to something that is very key that I need you to understand. So I don't want this guy. Alright, so now how I want to retrieve information or data elements from my JavaScript, from my HTML down to JavaScript. Now remember what we talked about earlier on, which is called variables. We said variable is a container that stores a value. Alright, variable number1 number equals 5, and then you have another variable called number2 equals 6. Alright, so these two variables, number and number2, represent 5 and 6 respectively. Okay, so and remember you have your arithmetical operation, which is a plus sign. Alright, so if you want to sum these two figures up, all you have to do is just put them in between, because the responsibility of the console.log is to print out on your screen using the console area. So you need to just do this number, right? Okay, plus okay number 2. Alright, so JavaScript knows what to do, because these two variable values are numbers, and you have the arithmetical operator in between them. It automatically sums both the variable on the left and the variable on the right. Alright, so I've explained this before now, but I don't want you to be cut short in this class. So what I need to do is let me refresh this. Alright, so you can see that we got 11 over here. Alright, so now the next thing you really need to do is merge things. Alright, so for example, I don't want to use figures that I'm going to type in myself. I will need a method that will give me users what is it called, input. So I could replace this value with a method called prompt. Okay, so this is a method and a request for user input. Alright, and I can tell the user what to do. Alright, so let me just go straight with this. Alright, okay, so let me show you something. Alright, let me refresh this page. Alright, so you can see it's prompting me for a number, so I'm entering 12. Okay, so I get 126. Alright, actually 12 plus 6 should give me 18 in Nigeria. Alright, so prompt should actually give me something that is equal to what, a number. Alright, so but I just can't use that number as a number, so I had to use an inbuilt method called parseInt. Okay, so it's a method. Alright, so it's just a method, so I had to bring this method and push it in directly into this method, because what that method actually does is to convert an element that is not a string into a number, provided it has what looks like a number. To type so now 12. Okay, you can see that is a thing. So your number here that comes in through the input is a text, it automatically is a text. Once the user input anything on the screen, it's a text. Alright, but you need it as it's coming back to, you know,